Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we unpair Bluetooth speaker with our to our Realme phone. Guys, you have paired any speaker and guys you want to unpair this speakers. Well, how to unpair in this video friends I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair guys your Bluetooth speaker. Then guys scroll it. So guys you can see your Bluetooth setting in your Realme phone device. So I tap here and guys you can see guys it's JBL speaker guys I have paired in my Realme phone device. So I want to unpair to my phone. So how to unpair? Right side icon, tap here and guys you can see your unpair option and disconnect option. So friends you want to disconnect, you can disconnect. Guys you want to unpair, you can unpair from here. So we will unpair. After unpair guys we cannot use guys. If you use, so you will have to again pair. So like that guys you can unpair your Bluetooth speaker to your Realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet a next video. Bye bye. Before going, please go and like the video.